Hi guys, I hope you are all doing well. Let's see today's question. So today's question is from the topic of differentiation, and in this question we have been told that there is a certain expression root of 1 minus x square plus root of 1 minus y square that is equal to a times x minus y, and in this question we have been asked to find dy by dx. Let's understand how to solve this question. So first thing, if I try to use this expression to convert it into a simpler form, I understand I need to substitute that x and y as something. So I know an identity which says sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So if I need cos square theta, that is 1 minus sine square theta, right? That gives me the idea that x should be some trigonometric ratio of sine. So sine A, let's say, and let's say y is with other angle B. So it is sine B now. So now if I try to simplify the given expression, it becomes root of 1 minus sine square A plus 1 minus sine square B, that is equal to A times sine A minus sine. Now if I simplify this idea, what do I get? Root of 1 minus sine square. So 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta, right? And root of cos square theta is cos A. Root of 1 minus sine square theta again is cos square theta. Root of cos square theta is cos theta. So cos B, that's equal to A sine A minus sine. Now to simplify this further, if I try to use the factorization formula, cos A plus cos B, that is 2 times cos A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. That is equal to small a, and sine A minus sine B, that is again 2 cos A plus B by 2 into sine A minus B by 2, right? Now if we try to solve this further, I see that I can cancel one term from both sides, that is cos of A plus B by 2, that is similar. Also I can cancel out 2. So what I am left with now? If I simplify this further, cos of A minus B by 2, and here we have sine of that same angle. So if sine theta that comes here, it goes in the denominator, and we get this as cos of A minus B by 2. That is divided by sine of A minus B by 2, and that is equal to small a. So I get cot of A minus B by 2, that is equal to A. So I get this as A minus B by 2, that is equal to cot inverse of A, and A minus B in that case becomes 2 times cot inverse of A. Now, if I try to resubstitute A and B in terms of sin x, I can write it as resubstituting A, I can resubstitute as sin inverse x becomes A after that, and sin inverse y becomes B after that. So if I write this, A becomes sin inverse x, B becomes sin inverse y, that is 2 times cot inverse A. Now, if I further differentiate this entire expression with respect to x, because I need to find dy by dx, right? So if I try to differentiate the previous expression with respect to x, we know derivative of sine inverse x is 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. Derivative of sine inverse y, I can write it as 1 upon root of 1 minus y square into dy by dx, because I'm differentiating it with respect to x, right? And is equal to 2 times cot inverse of a, which is a constant term, and derivative of a constant term is always 0. So it's not a variable, so it becomes c. If I further solve it, you get 1 upon root of 1 minus x square is equal to, this entire thing goes there, becomes plus. So 1 upon root of 1 minus y square dy by dx. So now if I take root of 1 minus y square here, it goes in the numerator now. So I get here dy by dx is root of 1 minus y square upon root of 1 minus x square. And if you see the option which matches here in the question that is given to us, let's see that. So we had been given here the option, the question that says root of 1 minus x square plus root of 1 minus y square is equal to a times x minus y. We just substituted x as sine a, y as sine b, and we tried to simplify that idea, right? And when we simplified, we got this as sine inverse x minus sine inverse y is 2 times cot inverse a. And just we differentiated with respect to x here, and when we differentiated it with respect to x, we got dy by dx in this case. That turned out to become root of 1 minus y square upon root of 1 minus x square. And that matches with the option that is given to us, that is A. Right? So the correct answer for the question which is asked to us in this is A. I hope you have understood how to solve these types of questions of differentiation, where we need to substitute the variables as some trigonometric functions, right? I'll meet you again tomorrow with the next question. Till then, you can like, share, and subscribe to my videos, and also share these videos with your family and friends. Thank you.